Okay, guys, I had to show you this. I found the actual one of the leaks, I should say. I'm going to say it's probably the leak. These things are absolute crap. I don't even think these are made in China because China does a pretty good job at this stuff. I don't know where these are made, but here's the deal. I looked at it really closely because I was like, where the heck is this thing leaking from? Lo and behold, I was right. At least I thought it was leaking at the base. I knew it had something to do with this thing, but I found an actual leak right here at the head. They missed a solder point, maybe more than one. But if you look under the head, see that hole there? Now you can see the dark hole under that cap head. That is actually where it's leaking in this case. And I think that, well, I know it makes total sense because I didn't have the bike probably filled up maybe to exceed that level until yesterday or whatever. And I filled it all the way up. So it made it all the way up to that cap. Although, yeah, I mean, it's a very tiny leak. Now, how do I know this? I put soapy water on it and I blew literally down this tube. I blew down this tube. I had soapy water on the head of that thing. And lo and behold, I started blowing bubbles. So the damn thing's got bad solders. You can actually, I thought there might even be a bad solder on the cap. There is a tiny pinhole there, but that one's not nearly as big as this one. You can see that one's huge. So it literally blew bubbles out of there, guys. So this thing, I literally blew all the way at the end of this tube, and I made bubbles at the end of that. All right, so if you would, please send me 2 of these at least, hopefully 3. But I wouldn't mind you doing the soapy bubble test before you send them as well. Check them both. Thank you.